Hi, I'm Rob Thurner and I'm very excited to be working with commercial excellence partners. And when we think about a great customer experience, what comes to mind is an almost concierge type experience where we're getting the right message at the right time, in the right location and on the right device to the user. I've been fascinated by this subject for over 15 years now. I've written 2 books on customer loyalty and customer experience and work extensively with Google on some of their customer experience and digital transformation programs. I work with organizations to define the customer journey, understand what touch points are causing the problem, where are the pain points, and how can we identify the bottlenecks and improve a part of the journey. Is it a message? Is it the channel of use? Is it the sequence of comms that we're getting across? By getting this information and in real time changing the customer experience and the customer journey, we can have a disproportionate effect on the customer lifetime value and the likelihood this customer has to come back. I'm working with banks, I'm working with telcos, government clients and retailers across Europe, across the Middle East, and I would love to see how we can help you to refine and improve your customer journey to unlock long-term lifetime value.